students. This is the class for 6th standard, subject social and topic name is civics, second lesson, achieving equality. Okay, in previous class we have already seen what is the meaning of equality and also what is the meaning of prejudice and causes for a prejudice. Okay, today we are going to see about stereotypes. Okay, what is mean by stereotype? When prejudice gets stronger to develop stereotype. Okay, prejudice means we already know that prejudgment. Okay, before itself we have to judge the people. Okay, without know the people. Okay, without knowing the people and also without mingling with the people, we can seeing appearance of the people. Okay, we can able to judge that. Okay, that is called prejudgment. Okay, when prejudice gets stronger, it develops stereotype. Okay, prejudice வந்து stronger develop ஆயிடுச்சுன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. அது வந்து எதை வந்து லீட் பண்ணும்னா stereotype. Okay, here stereotype is nothing but false view. Okay, தப்பான அபிப்பிராயம் சொல்லுவோம்ல அதுதான். Okay, false view or idea about something. Okay, without knowing the person, without knowing the ideas, we can easily judge the people with a false view. Okay, தப்பான அவங்க செயலை வச்சோ இல்லை அவங்கள நடந்துக்கிற விதத்தை வச்சோ நம்ம வந்து கணிப்போம் பார்த்தியா, that is called stereotype. Again I am repeating, stereotype means false view or idea about something. Okay, for example, girls are not good at sport. Okay, so in those days they will tell no, girls are not able to play any kind of sports. Okay, so when the child grow, okay, these things they kept in mind means when grow up also these lines only they will stronger in their mind. Okay, அவங்க ஸ்டார்டிங்லேயே இந்த ஐடியா அவங்க மைண்டில் கிரியேட் ஆகிடுச்சு, செட் ஆகிடுச்சுன்னா இதே தான் அவங்க என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, டெவலப் பண்ணிகிட்டே போவாங்க. ஓகேவா, கேர்ள்ஸ் ஆர் நாட் குட் அட் ஸ்போர்ட், எனி கைண்ட் ஆஃப் நாட் ஏபிள் டு play any kind of sports. Okay, when they grow up these things only develop in their mind. Okay, but that is called stereotype. Okay, stereotypes learn very early age. Okay, when early age itself they can keep these ideas in their mind means. Okay, that is called stereotype. Okay, when grow up to stronger ideas of opinion. Okay, when they started to grow up these things only kept in their mind. Okay, about stereotype ideas. Okay, so when they grows up hate other things, people, cultures and belief, language and becomes too sharper. Okay, so when starting itself we put we keep on insisting these kind of lines means. Okay, when they grows up they will start to hate others, people and cultures or languages. These things only become very sharper. Okay, இந்த ஐடியா வந்து என்ன ஆயிடும், ரொம்ப ஷார்ப் ஆயிடும் அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்களோட மைண்ட்ல. Okay, for stereotype I am giving another example. Girls cry and boys don't cry. Okay, for example I will tell one thing. Okay, Madhu is a boy. He is hit with eyes with a soft ball. Okay, he started to cry. Okay, when others those are around him, others also they are when seeing Madhu. Okay, when seeing Madhu they are also started to laugh at him. Why? Because he started to cry. No, when ball hit him. Okay, he started to cry with the pain he is crying. Okay, others they are thinking that boys will not cry, why this boy is crying. Okay, like that others will be started to laugh at him. One of his best friend also in starting he felt very sad for Madhu. After that, okay, he also joined with the groups. Okay, he also started to laugh at him. Okay, so when basically we have the mindset. Okay, what is the mindset? Boys will not cry. Okay, but girls only cry for small things and also silly things. We have these kind of mindset. Okay, that is called stereotype. Okay, girls cry and boys don't cry. That is, we can from this example we can able to understand that these are called as stereotypes. Okay, next, gender based stereotypes. Okay, gender based stereotypes is nothing but male and female. That is called gender. Okay, இவங்கள ஒருத்தவங்க வந்து discriminate பண்ணி. Okay, based பண்ணி வர stereotypes. Okay, for example, gender based stereotypes portrayed in films, advertisement and TV serials. Okay, for example, ad related to detergents, washing machines and dishwasher. Okay, these ads mostly performed by women. Okay, women as a main lead and also user of that product. Okay, if we take these examples means women will be played the main role. Okay, so these kind of ad only performed by women. Okay, but not by any men. Okay, but these are gender discrimination. This is the example for gender discrimination. And in another hand, stunt show and performed by ferocious men. Ferocious men means strong men or hard men. Okay, if it is we take a stunt show, okay, only men can be able to lead that, perform that role. Okay, and if we take any intro of car, intro of bike advertisement, okay, men will be lead by that role. Okay, that is called gender discrimination. ஒரு சில ஆட் வந்து பாய்ஸ்னால தான் பண்ண முடியும், ஒரு சில ஆட் வந்து கேர்ள்ஸ் தான் பண்ண முடியும், ஃபீமேல் தான் பண்ண முடியும் அப்படின்றது என்னது, டிஸ்கிரிமினேட் பிரிக்கிறாங்களா, that is called gender based stereotypes they are telling. Okay, next topic is inequality and discrimination. Okay, why inequality, we already know that not treating the people equally. Discrimination means வேற்றுமை படுத்தி பார்க்கறது. Okay, so inequality means difference in treatment. Okay, difference in treatment means treating the people unequally. Okay, அவங்க சமமா இல்லாத மாதிரி ட்ரீட் பண்ணுவாங்கல, that is called inequality. Okay, inequality in different forms. Okay, what are all the forms in inequality? Caste wise, religious wise, race or gender wise. Okay, but these are the forms of inequality. And discrimination is nothing but வேற்றுமை படுத்தி பார்க்கிறது, வேறுபடுத்தி பார்க்கிறது. ஓகேவா, so discrimination means negative action towards people. ஓகேவா, negative, we will treat the people in negatively. Okay, for example, in those days and all, high status people not even touch the things which is touched by lower caste people. Okay, that is called negative action towards people. Okay, shortly known as discrimination. Okay, basis of color, class, religion, gender or etc. Okay, but this can be based on color wise, class wise, religious wise and gender wise, etc. Next, for example, treating dark skin people differently from fair skin people. Okay, in normally we can know கருப்பா இருக்கிறவன் பொய் சொல்லுவான், வெள்ளையா இருக்கிறவன் பொய் சொல்ல மாட்டான், that is okay, we will treat the people, most people, okay, having friend with fair skin people, okay, that is the called discrimination. Treating dark skin people differently. Okay, dark or கருப்பா இருக்கவங்கள வந்து ஒரு மாதிரி ட்ரீட் பண்றது, then வெள்ளையா இருக்கவங்கள வந்து அதை விட வேற மாதிரி ட்ரீட் பண்றது, that is called fair skin, treating fair skin people. Okay, next another one is give more importance for higher caste people than lower caste. Okay, we will give most important to the higher caste people. Okay, and then lower caste people avanga caste wise of discriminate பண்றத பத்தி சொல்றாங்க. Okay, next thinking that boys are smarter than girls. Okay, that is also deals with the discrimination. Okay, we will in home itself, our family members itself, they will discriminate girls, boys. Okay, boys is thinking very smarter than girls. Okay, boys நால ரொம்ப ஸ்மார்ட்டா திங்க் பண்ண முடியும், girls வந்து அவ்வளவு ஸ்மார்ட்டா வந்து திங்க் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க, கிளவரா இருக்க மாட்டாங்க, that is called gender discrimination. Okay. Okay, next topic is Article 15 Part 1 deals with not to discriminate against any citizens on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth or any of them. Okay, okay, under this article we cannot discriminate any person, any people, okay, based on these categories. Okay, religion, race, caste wise, sex wise, place of birth or any reason, we will not discriminate any person. Okay, next, end of apartheid. Okay, so end of apartheid means after 27 years in prison, former South African presidents named Nelson Mandela. Okay, so he is freed from after 27 years. Okay, so in prison after 27 years. Okay, the former South African president freed in 1990. Okay, in this year only he released, successfully achieved end of apartheid in South Africa. Okay, so 27 வருஷத்துக்கு அப்புறம் தான் என்ன பண்ணிருக்காரு, இவர் ஜெயில இருந்து வந்திருக்காரு. Okay, in 1990 he successfully achieved end of apartheid in South Africa. Okay, so why he is 27 years in prison means, okay, bringing peace to racially divided country. Okay, so that we already know that he is fight for black people. Okay, African American people, sorry, African people, South African people காக வந்து நிறைய போராடி இருக்காரு. Okay, for that racially divided country. Okay, against this he is freed. Okay, he is fight for racially divided country. And also after after that he leading fight for human rights, okay, around the world, not only his country, all over the country he is fight for human rights, okay, not white people only having the full rights, okay, than black people, okay, he also fight for human rights in all around the world, okay. Next, Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, shortly known as Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, okay, so he is also otherwise known as Baba Sahib, okay. Next, he was an Indian jurist, economist, politician and social reformer, okay, and he learned his MA in 1915 and DSc at the London School of Economics, and before being awarded PhD by Columbia University in 1927, okay, he done his MA in 1915 and also he done DSc at the London School of Economics, and before that he awarded for PhD by Columbia University in 1927, okay, and he served as a chairman of drafting committee of Constituent Assembly and regarded as the father of Indian constitutions, okay, so he called as a father of Indian constitution. Why? Mean he only drafting the Indian constitutions, okay, இந்திய அரசியலமைப்பு சட்டத்தையே வடிவமைத்தவர்னா யாரு? இவர்தான், okay, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So that is why he regarded as a father of Indian constitution, okay. Next, he is Indian's first law minister, okay, in independent India, okay, he only known as the India's first law minister, okay, and he was awarded the Bharat Ratna award in 1990, okay, so Bharat Ratna award also he got in 1990, okay student, thank you.